my butternut squash curried in coconut milk. Listen, wash your squash and it's hard to peel, so cut it like this. I'll be using curried powder. I'll be using a little coconut milk. Then you can just cut down in the middle because the skin is a little bit tougher to peel. You can cut the seeds out or the middle portion, or you can just use a spoon to scrape this out. Then grab a sharp knife and it's easier to peel your butternut squash this way. Cut or dice in small pieces because I'll be baking this for my recipe. Guys, welcome back to Shelly's Jamaican Pickle and Lifestyle. In today's video, I'll be doing a Thanksgiving recipe, which is more an American style recipe, which is curried butternut squash. If you haven't yet started following me, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button, hit your notification bell, and don't forget to give the video a like. It is free. Here I have the butternut squash diced. I'll be adding a little salt, garlic powder, and I use Himalayan salt, a little black pepper, and some olive oil. Drizzle on this and then I rub this in. Remember, butternut squash has a little sugary taste. Then I'll be adding in my oven to bake, 350 degrees, and I bake this for 45 minutes. Once you test and this seems as if it is ready, take it out, put it aside. Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow. And chop your aromatics, bell pepper, garlic, ginger, onions, because it's almost time to make that curried sauce. Add a little oil in your pot on medium heat. So guys, I'll be using some aromatics, garlic, ginger, bell pepper, white onion. I'll be using curried powder. I'll be using a little coconut milk, and I'll be using some roasted butternut squash that I did in my oven. Added in my curry, ginger, garlic. Mix this, then I started to add in my onions and my bell pepper. Use as much curry as you want because that's your business. To add flavor and taste to this, I'll be using some Grace coconut milk and some chicken broth. Added me a little chicken broth in this, seasoned with a little black pepper, a little Maggi chicken bouillon just to add additional flavor. Feel free to add your thyme, whatever aromatics you want to add in yours. Then I added my butternut squash. This was already cooked, so once my curry sauce was ready, then I added in my butternut squash and I allow this to simmer for 5 minutes. Here my stew is stewing. If you don't eat meat, you don't have to use chicken broth. You can use water or pure coconut sauce. Dinner is ready, and you know a girl love her curry. So here is my dished meal. And listen, my curry was currying and this butternut squash was squashing. Quick and easy Thanksgiving recipe within, I would say, 45 minutes. Quick and easy. Stay tuned for the taste test. This tasted really good, an interesting one, but I love my creativity and how this turned out. You too can try this. So guys, you know I'm a big curried fan. So here's the taste test for my butternut squash curried in coconut milk. Listen, this looks like salmon or something, and you know butternut squash has a sweet taste. I can't wait to dive into this. Scrumptious, delicious. Listen, if you haven't yet subscribed, you don't want to miss out on these free recipes all year round. If you don't eat meat, here is another quick recipe that you too can try. If you haven't yet subscribe, hit that notification bell and stay tuned for another video. Let me take another bite. So you see, I do eat what I cook. Delicious. Stay tuned. Thank you.